Hi students, it's March 17th, a rainy Friday. Here is our update for this weekend for our class. We have a change. On Monday, we do have class, as usual, at the same place. But on Wednesday, there is no school because it is Ramadan, the first day of Ramadan. No school on Wednesday, March 22nd. Okay, so Monday, yes, not Wednesday. This video is your homework today. It's a very quick workbook answers for page 58 and 59, but mostly we will talk about the reading page in your red book. You do not need your red book, but this is your homework. It's going to be a little bit of a long video. So let's get started. Pause the video and check your answers. This is page 58. Here are the answers: hospital, grocery store, bus station, park, bus stop. If you got any wrong, go back to the map and look again. And ask me on Monday if you have questions, or text me if you have questions. All right, page 59, here are the answers. On number 5, I didn't know the correct answer. All of these things are on the corner. And so I don't know the correct answer, any of those. And then these 3 things are across from the park. So I'm not sure what the answer is. And then for number 7, the answer is park. Here is our reading. It is a letter from Angela. I'm sorry, it's from Sandra to Angela. It's an email. And Sandra is writing to Angela about her new neighborhood. Remember this word neighborhood? It's where you live and the people around you and the places around where you live, your neighborhood. Okay, please listen and follow the words as I read. Hi, Angela. I love my new house. My neighborhood is great. Here are some pictures. There is a school on my street. My children go to the school. They like it a lot. There is a community center across from the school. My husband works at the community center. He walks to work. There is a grocery store next to my house. It's a small store, but we can buy a lot of things. There is a good Mexican restaurant on 2nd Street. It's right across from my house. I like it here, but I miss you. Please write. Your friend, Sandra. Remember, if you want to listen to the story, you also have the QR code in the book. You can listen on your phone. We are going to look at pronouns. Pronouns. They is a pronoun. It is a pronoun. They like it a lot. They like it a lot. When you read pronouns, you always need to think, who are they? Who are they, and what is it? So you can pause the video and think of your answer. They are my children, and it is the school. My children go to the school. They, the children, like it, the school a lot. Next, another it. It's a small store. It's a small store. So what is it referring to? What is it? Pause the video. Yes, the grocery store. The grocery store. Okay, let's look at another one. We, but we can buy a lot of things. Who is we? Pause the video. There you go. We means Sandra and her husband, and maybe the children too. All right. Another it. It is right across from my house. What is right across from her house? Pause the video. Restaurant. Yes. There's a restaurant, the Mexican restaurant, across from her house. Okay. There's also another it. So it's kind of confusing. I like it here. This doesn't refer to one thing. It means she likes living in this new neighborhood. It's almost like the whole neighborhood. Now, there are sentences, so please read the sentence, pause the video, read the sentence, and decide yes or no. Yes or no from the story. Okay, here's the answer. Number 1, Sandra lives on Summit Street. No. Sandra lives on 2nd Street. That's a difficult question. Well, nowhere in here is Summit Street, but it says that she lives right here and there is a good Mexican restaurant on 2nd Street. All right. Next one. Pause the video. There is a school on Sandra's street. Yes or no? Yes. It says so. There is a school on my street. There is a school on my street. And Sandra is the person writing the letter. Pause the video. The answer, number 3, there is a community center next to the school. Yes or no? No. The community center is across from the school. Up here, there is a community center across from the school, not next to the school, across from. Pause the video and see if this is yes or no. Number 4, Sandra's husband works at the community center. Yes or no? Yes. Right up here. My husband works at the community center. Okay, last one. All right. Number 5, Sandra's letter is about her new school. Yes or no? No. She doesn't say anything about her new school. In fact, I don't think Sandra goes to school. The letter is about her new neighborhood. It's about the school, her children, the community center, her husband's job, the grocery store, the Mexican restaurant, but not about Sandra's school. Okay, So no homework from your workbook. If you have time to review the story, do that. On Monday, please bring your red book and your blue citizenship questions. For citizenship, we will review Chapter 7, videos 13 and 14. Okay, there you go. I hope you have a really good weekend, and I will see you on Monday, 9 o'clock. Bye.